Welcome back to One Beer Job. I'm Justin, and today we're gonna be, wait, I don't have a beer. I need a beer. Yeah, now we're talking. So delicious. All right, today, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be working on a doorbell. Our doorbell broke. And so I'm going to be replacing this doorbell. I'm going to go through with you guys on how to replace your doorbell very quickly. This should be less than 5 minute one beer job. All right, here we go. All right, first things first. I'm going to grab this real quick. Stay close. Up here on the doorbell itself, you can see that it says rear, trans, and front. On a lot of the directions it talks about the rear, trans, front, that you have to label them as rear, trans, and front. What we're going to do is you can see that I just marked one of those, the trans cable with black marker, and then that means the other one's front. So as we take this down, we'll be able to set that back up. What ended up happening, as you can see, right inside there's supposed to be two of those pistons, and then right down here would be the bell. One of those pistons broke and snapped off, and it looked like it was melted. I don't know how it gets melted by going through, but it looked like it was melted. So need to replace the door chime itself. I'm not going to mess with the doorbell outside because I like it. So there we go. First things first, we're going to take off the actual, we're going to loosen that up. Then we'll take these two pieces off. We'll separate those wires. Then we'll install the new one over it so it actually has a place to sit. That way we can work on it as we go. All right.
Coronavirus.
Nothing from anyone? Come on, that was funny. It's low volt, it's not gonna shock you. No, nothing. Guys are no fun. Oh, shoot. All right, now on these doors, it does say top. It does say up here at the top. So you know that you can put this in two directions, either up facing this way or up facing that way. So make sure that you're following those types of instructions. All right, we're gonna go ahead and just mark this. We're gonna have to drill new holes. Don't let the dog eat it. I think that thing will. Can you grab me that screw? hoping these just stay up without having to put mollies in them. All right, so now we're just gonna put the trans on the trans and the front on the front, and we'll go ahead and try it.
What's a trans?
Transformer. All right, remember I labeled the one that was in black as the trans. All right. So now we should go ahead and try the doorbell and see if this bad boy works.
Ready?
Yep. There we go. So now we have a working doorbell in less than 5 minutes. Just replace the cover. We'll paint around the edges and make sure that everything is good. So, I'm Justin. Like the video, then please like it. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button, and I'll be bringing you more one beer jobs because of, you know, quarantine that we're gonna have to all be going over. So expect every couple days a new one beer job. Cheers. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's go.